Allison Evans, and I started this business that I call Allison Evans Ceramics that has morphed into 2 retail stores and a wholesale business. We have the AE Gallery in Yarmouth and AE Home in Boothbay Harbor, which is brand new as of this January. Well, you know, I was really lucky to have a beautiful little house to rent on the coast in East Boothbay that had a little garage. But you know, I was waitressing for a long time, and I worked all the time. I made pottery by day and waitress at night, and I just hustled until this sort of evolved. And so yeah, we bought our studio in Yarmouth first, about 5 years ago. And as soon as that happened, we had a baby, because we were both so happy. We were like, we can do this, we can raise a family here, no problem. I've been working on today a piece that is called my coffee table bowl. It's an oyster coffee table bowl that I also have started making into a vessel sink. It's tricky, I think, when you're trying to recreate something natural like a shell. You know, it's hard to kind of keep that line between like inspired by and totally mimicking, and also kind of keeping it natural.